Hi Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey Paxton and I'm excited to share with you today. If you're new to our videos, make sure that you subscribe so that you can watch our videos each week. We post each Wednesday and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Today I'm excited to share with you a new product bundle that Stampin' Up! Has come out with. It's exclusive for a period of time. It starts on August 1st and it goes through August 31st while supplies last. So make sure you jump on it right away if it's something that interests you. It's the Color Your Season bundle and it's really fun. It has a stamp set that you can purchase, the Blended Season stamp set, and there's a Framelits called Stitch Season, which you can get that in a bundle for 10% off. And there's also the a new Watercolor Pencils assortment that you can get. And I'll just read you the colors that are in there. There's Balmy Blue, Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Coastal Cabana, Crushed Curry, Flirty Flamingo, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, and Night of Navy. So some of our new fun colors, and that's a new assortment that they're carrying, which you can purchase separately from the bundle. So I did some fun cards with this set, and I wanted to show you what they look like. But first I wanted to stamp one for you and show you how fun it is and some really fun ways to use the watercolor pencils. Here, let me show you first what this stamp set looks like. It comes in two different cases, so it's quite big and it's really fun. I've already taken one out that I'm using, but look at these fun sayings here. I love this one. You're the friend everyone wishes they had. So cute. So this is a fun one and I'm excited to play with it. So this is the stamp that I'm going to show you today. I thought it was a cute summery look with the flowers, so let me show you. I already pre-stamped it so that it wouldn't take quite as much time, and I've also already colored one of the flowers, but I wanted to show you how to use these watercolor pencils. These are really fun. So I'm using the Flirty Flamingo for my flowers to give it the pink in there. And when you color, you want to kind of just go around the edges and shade the edges, and you want to do kind of a jagged line so that when you go in and blend, it's not like a straight line that you have to blend from, because it doesn't look quite as natural. So just go in and color your image. And these artistic stamp sets and techniques, they always take a little bit longer, but enjoy the time and spend some time being creative and artistic. So then I'm also using the Granny Apple Green for my leaves. And then I used Crushed Curry for my middle of the flower. So then I'm going to take my blender pen and I'm going to blend those watercolors together. So I'm going to start with my pink, and you're just going to use a circular motion, and you're going to blend the color until you like the look. And I wanted on my flowers to have the edges a little bit darker and kind of go lighter into the middle, just like that. And then as you move to a different color, just kind of dab your blender pen off so that you're not getting the other colors mixed together. Then I'm going to do my leaf and my center, just like that. So I've already done my full card. I'll bring that in just like this. And I added, if you can see, Wink of Stella to give it a little bit of shimmer in there. And I wanted to show you this awesome frame. This is in the Framelits that are part of the bundle. This is what the Framelits look like. You have these fun frames, but it also, when it cuts out the frames, it cuts a stitch into the one that it cuts out, but it also cuts a stitch onto the negative image. So you can use both pieces and get better bang for your buck, and it's really cute. So you can see on that edge the stitching around it. So cute. So then just add a little bit of ribbon and a cute saying, and there you have a very pretty watercolored card. So fun. So let me show you a few other cards that I have come up with using this set. I have I Just Miss You, and I actually used the Stampin' Blends on this card with the Call Me Clover. And then we have Thank You, and this one I used watercolor paper with Stays On, and I use the watercolor pencils again and a blender pen. And then, I know it's a little bit early for Christmas, but it's a really cute stamp set that you could use with the Christmas paper that's in the catalog. So I did a Christmas card, and I used an aqua painter with this one. So very fun. So if you're interested in purchasing any of the things that you saw today, make sure you click on the links below, or you can visit stampinjill.com. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, and we'd love to answer those for you. And make sure you give us the thumbs up if you liked what you saw today, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.